Jaw injuries and disorders. Introduction. The lower jaw is connected to the side of the head by the TMJ. Select true or false. Correct. The TMJ, or temporomandibular joint, helps you talk, chew, and yawn. Aaron's jaw has been painful and tender for a few days. He has had difficulty chewing his food. Should Aaron contact his healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Pain and tenderness in the jaw and difficulty chewing may be signs of a problem. Aaron should contact his healthcare provider. TMJ disorders can make moving the jaw difficult. Select true or false. Correct. Kathy recently hit her face after a fall. Her jaw has been painful and swollen, and she has been having trouble breathing. Should Kathy contact her healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. A painful and swollen jaw and trouble breathing may be signs of a problem. Kathy should contact her healthcare provider. The symptoms of arthritis can be treated with medications. Select true or false. Correct. Arthritis can be slowed and controlled with medicines that decrease inflammation in the body. Thank you for using Explain.